If your bank account hits zero tomorrow, what would you do to build your empire back up?
So the thing is, it took me a long time to learn a skill, and that skill is to create an income. So you can take away all of the clothes, all of the gold watches, the villa on the palm, the Lambos, everything, but you can't take away my knowledge and the skill that I have learned. So what I would do if I have lost it all, I would get a hold of a smartphone, god damn it, and then I would create an Instagram account, and then I would start creating attention around a certain topic. For example, it could be wealth or building an online business, because that usually pays the most money. And then now I already know how to create offers that people want to buy. But if you don't have that knowledge, I will find another person's offer and then become an affiliate for it. That means when it's a digital product, you can get all the way up to 50% commission. So you create attention and then you monetize that attention with somebody else's product. So you just earn a commission every time somebody makes a sale. I did this from a basement apartment back in Denmark and made $9,300 my first 30 days, and then on to $233,000 within 6 months. So I even created a 90% done for you system where I set up everything for you. I find the high ticket digital offers and plug it into this done for you system for you.
That's crazy. How do people get the system?
Just comment below how under this video and I'll send it to you.